Today on MHC Sign and Design, we're going to show you how to put a graphic on a truck door. Here's the graphic. That's what we want to put on there. We've got our measurements here. Let's measure it up, figure it out. I'm going to take rubbing alcohol and spray the area, clean it up real good. You want it completely clean, completely dry. Now we'll take our decal, put 2 pieces of tape on there to hold it in place. I want to go 9 3/4 inches up and 2 inches over. So I'm going to measure 2 inches over real quick. 2 inches over, that's good. 9 3/4 up. Green line. Green line is flat, there's no arch, so that is my square straight line. 9 3/4 on that one. Okay, that's there. That's there. Okay, that's in place. I like up here, this movement area. Plenty of space, plenty of space. All these first aid, fire extinguisher info that needs to go down at the bottom. 2 inches over across the handle. Let's double check our measurements. Good to go. Now this is kind of an odd shaped sticker. You can see the cut edge of the sticker round into kind of a flatter square area. So I'll show you how to do this. Tape those 2 areas, roll your piece of tape, and go all the way across the bottom. The squarest area, the straightest area, take your squeegee. Leave your marks on the wall so you know you've lined it up in the correct spot. Pull that down. Make sure there's no dust or debris laying anywhere. You'll peel the back of this. The white is throwaway, the gray is sticky. I'm going to peel back, that's roughly 3 or 4 inches. Now I'm using the felt side of my squeegee because this is raw material. There's no transfer tape over the top of it. The vinyl I'm using is a 3551 RA, brand new vinyl, made by Oralite. Oralite would be reflective. So the correct version would be Orajet. And you just squeegee this up slowly as you go. Peel that off, throw that piece away. And you've got these to line up to your tape. Before you get to that area, check, good. Now we'll peel this, and we'll peel this. Peel that, throw that away. Save this tape for the other side. And if you feel like you need to use this tape right here, that's usable for projects down the road. Now, say you have a bubble or a crease or something down in here, you can peel this corner up because of this edge of this door. This vinyl is designed to push, and all the bubbles should just relax. Let's check it out. Thanks for watching MHC Sign and Design.